Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on mastering advanced HTML5 forms with custom validation schemes. In today's digital age, creating seamless and dynamic user experiences is crucial, and HTML5 forms are at the heart of this process. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, understanding how to leverage the full potential of HTML5 forms can significantly enhance the quality and functionality of your web applications. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to implement advanced form elements and design custom validation schemes, ensuring data integrity and improving user satisfaction. So, why should you care? Mastering these skills will not only streamline your form processing, but also make your applications more robust and user-friendly. Stick around and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more high-quality tutorials that keep you updated with the latest in web development. Let's dive into the theory behind HTML5 forms and custom validation. HTML5 revolutionized web development by introducing new form elements like email, date, and range inputs, along with attributes such as placeholder, autofocus, and required. These enhancements allow for better user interaction and data validation. HTML5 also provides built-in validation capabilities, but they have limitations. That's where custom validation comes in. By utilizing JavaScript validation APIs, like the Constraint Validation API, you can create bespoke validation logic that meets your specific needs. This approach allows you to handle form submission events efficiently and provide real-time feedback to users, making your forms not just functional, but also intuitive and engaging. Now, let's look at a practical code example to solidify our understanding. We'll be examining a React-based HTML5 form with custom validation. This example demonstrates how to use state management and validation functions to ensure data integrity. The form includes email and age inputs, each with specific validation rules. The email must conform to a standard email format, while the age must be a number between 1 and 99. Errors are displayed in real time, giving users immediate feedback. Here's the code for our app.js file, which is central to our form's functionality. In our demonstration, we first navigate to the page where the form is rendered. You'll notice that the form is clearly visible with input fields for email and age. When an invalid email is entered, the form immediately flags it with an error message, invalid email format. Similarly, entering an age outside the valid range prompts an error message, age must be between 1 and 99. Once the correct data is input, the form allows submission, confirming successful validation. This real-time feedback loop is essential for enhancing user experience, ensuring users provide valid data before submission. We've taken a deep dive into mastering advanced HTML5 forms with custom validation schemes today. By understanding and implementing these concepts, you can significantly improve the functionality and user experience of your web applications. These skills are not just theoretical. They have practical applications that will help you in real-world development scenarios. Remember, subscribing to our channel means you gain access to a wealth of knowledge, with tutorials designed to accelerate your learning curve, providing you with clear, real-world examples you can use immediately. Keep experimenting with the code, try new validation rules, and see how you can further enhance your forms. Until next time, happy coding.